Hello everyone, I am Mihir Moite and I welcome you to the course Predictive Analysis using R 3.5 by Pact Publishing. I am a big data and predictive analytics practitioner and a data scientist at the UK Data Service University of Essex, the largest European socio-economic data repository. I have extensive experience in processing and managing large-scale datasets and have worked in the field of decision sciences, statistical modeling, and predictive analytics across technology and e-commerce domains. I am skilled in the fields of time series analysis of prediction, data analysis and modeling, big data, data wrangling, statistical modeling, data visualization, deep learning, and other machine learning and AI domains. Now let's take a look at the course overview. This course will take you through various predictive modeling techniques and help you build machine learning models to understand the accuracy of these techniques. This will, in turn, help you to visualize and analyze your data and return meaningful insights from your data. In the first section, loading datasets and setting up the environment, we will install and understand how to access specific libraries in R for better analysis of our data, how to use various plot functions to visualize and make sense of our data. In the second section, data analysis and comprehension, we will explore our raw data and learn techniques to review and summarize our dataset. We will then learn to extract a subset of our dataset and then use advanced plots to visualize and interpret our data. In the third section, data preprocessing and preparation for machine learning, we will learn to handle our data before its processing and analysis stage. Renaming rows and columns, conversion of data types, filtering our dataset, importance of merge and sort functions, and dealing with missing data values will be covered in section 3. In the fourth section, evaluate algorithms, we will be using 4 different machine learning algorithms, namely support vector machine, naive Bayes approach, k-nearest neighbors, and logistic regression to evaluate and classify our model. In the fifth and final section of this course, data prediction using regression, we will learn about different machine learning algorithms like linear regression, random forest, neural networks, and regression trees that can be used for data prediction. We will perform an in-depth analysis of every prediction output obtained. Finally, we will learn an adaptable code for k-fold cross-validation that can be used for any regression technique. For a smooth learning experience, make sure you have the latest version of R installed on your system. You also need to have a basic understanding of the language to be able to understand the in-depth analysis of outputs that will be performed along the duration of this course. By the end of this course, you will gain knowledge of data analysis and comprehension for reviewing and summarizing your dataset. You will also learn the different techniques to handle your data right before it is processed and analyzed. You will understand different machine learning algorithms that can be used to classify and break down the result obtained by our model. And finally, you will be able to design your own machine learning predictive models using R 3.5. Great! Now that we know what lies ahead, let's begin with the very first section of this course,